Circles show up constantly on the SAT, often disguised as coordinate geometry, or as an equation you must rewrite. The standard form packs the center and the radius into one clean line. Learn to read it forward and backward. We will do an easy identification problem, a graph to equation medium problem, and a harder complete the square problem. A circle is all points at a fixed distance from a center. The equation is just the distance formula in disguise, squared once so you never see square roots. If you can read center and radius from standard form, you can sketch, compare circles, and recover equations from partial information. On the SAT, circle items often pair with distance, midpoints, or perpendicular slopes. Keep the distance formula nearby mentally because it is the same structure as the circle definition. Now let us lock the standard form and read center and radius with confidence. The standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center is the point hk, and the radius is r. Watch the signs. The center coordinates show up with opposite signs inside the parentheses. That trips people up every test. The right side is r squared, not r. If you see 25 on the right, the radius is 5, not 25. Easy example. Suppose x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25. Rewrite I plus 2 as y minus negative 2. The center is 3, negative 2, and the radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. You can sketch the circle quickly. Center at 3, negative 2, then 5 units in every direction. Medium example. A circle is drawn on the plane with center negative 1, 4, and radius 6. Write x minus negative 1 squared, which is x plus 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 36, because 6 squared is 36. Double check the right side. Students often write 6 instead of 36 on autopilot. If the problem shows a graph with a grid, count radius along horizontal and vertical steps from the center to confirm. If two circles are tangent, distance between centers equals the sum or difference of radii. That relationship often appears in harder coordinate items. Keep those geometry links in mind, but our next job is algebra. Complete the square when the equation is expanded. Harder style start from general form. Suppose x squared plus y squared minus 6, x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. Move the constant to the right and group x terms and y terms. You get x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 4y equals 12. Complete the square for x. Half of negative 6 is negative 3. Square it, you add 9. For y, half of 4 is 2. Square it, you add 4. Simplify constants on the left. Negative 9 minus 4 is negative 13, so add 13 to both sides to get 25 on the right. Now read the center as 3, negative 2, and the radius is 5. Same circle as our easy example, just hidden in expanded form. Common mistake: using r instead of r squared on the right side, or taking the square root too early and squaring the wrong piece. SAT tip: if you see expanded x squared and y squared with linear x and y terms, complete the square separately for x and for y. Recap: standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center is hk and the radius is r, but the signs in the parentheses flip compared to the center coordinates. For expanded quadratics, complete the square for each variable and read the center and radius from standard form. Practice more on NovaMaths.